Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. Today we got 2015 Audi TT Mark 3. So we're going to be replacing the boot struts that I got here. I'm going to put the link in the description below on the ones that I'm using today. So they completely failed on this one. As you can see, when you lock the boot, it doesn't stay up at all, it just drops down. So we're going to replace both of them, and all you need is the little trim tool, and that's what we're going to do today. So that's something interested in, tune in, and let's get started. Right, so obviously on the new ones, make sure they're the same size as that one. And to remove the old ones, all you need to do is pull the clip out. I'll show you on this one. So you just pull that back, and that will be able to release it from the ball joint off of there. But just make sure you're holding the boot, you're supporting it well, because you're gonna drop completely on you, or you got someone helping you, and it'll be exactly the same at the bottom. Use a little flat blade screwdriver, pop it back. Right, to remove on this one, sorry, I've mentioned earlier, this one you actually have to push both sides in. It's because the original one, and then push it out. So that's it, that's off. And at the bottom is where you have to actually hold and pull the clip off, like that. Just get that off of there. That should just slide off. Right guys, so I got the new one here. There's already a little bit of grease inside, which I do advise putting on there and clean this up. So literally just push it on. There you go. And then at the top the same, clean it up and push that on, and it's on there. Right guys, just with one new one already on, it's already holding it up. So I'm just going to take this one off. Hopefully it's not going to fall down. There we are. No, it doesn't really want to hold it just with one. Right guys, on this one, on this side, I ended up putting the bottom one on first, and then the top one, because for some reason I couldn't get the top one on properly without getting the bottom one on first. So as you can see, that's all spot on now. I'm struggling to put it down now, but yeah, that's holding it very well. I'm just gonna unlock it so you can see. Just lift it up, and it's staying up. So like I said, the struts will be in the description below, the link for the best ones I've found so far, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So have a good day and see you later. Bye.